Hello everyone. So NEET PG and INICET are both just round the corner. With 30 days to go for INICET and 60 days for NEET PG, you must be feeling stressed or maybe confused in what to do and what not to do. Having the FOMO or feeling underconfident maybe. So if you have to overcome these things and score the best of your capabilities in these two exams, you have come at the right place. I, Dr. Arjun Kumar Agarwal, having recently completed MD Medicine from AIIMS New Delhi, am here to help you with my experience from NEET PG and INICET, where in NEET PG I scored rank 2 and in INICET I scored rank 9, and I am here to impart all of my knowledge and the best of my capabilities to help you gain that confidence, become stress-free and perform the best of your capabilities in these two exams and beyond also. We will talk about everything in these coming series. So from here on, I'll be posting regular videos with a lot of tips and tricks related to how to read your notes, how you can improvise, how you can improve your scores with questions, what type of questions are needed the most, the grand tests, how to solve the grand test, how to review the grand test, and how can you take the maximum yield from your efforts in the minimum days that you have. How to respect time as the most limiting factor in your preparation at this moment, and also the most important thing that a lot of people do not talk about, the non-academic factors that will affect your preparation. For example, sleep cycle, for example, your mental state, in which state you are going to give the paper, how stressed you are, how calm you are. That all governs how you are going to fare in the exam. So we are going to talk about everything. We'll also plan some live sessions, Q and answer sessions with you, so that we can answer your queries, and we'll have a one-on-one interaction so that you benefit them. In the comment section, you can mention all the things you want me to discuss, talk about and help you with. Also, subscribe to my channel and share it with all the juniors you have who are preparing for medical exams, be it of any kind. They'll eventually get help from this. Your seniors who are preparing for NEET PG and INICET, and also your batchmates, because together we learn, together we succeed. That should be the thing we should follow. And best of luck, and let's get this done. Thank you.